Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a zoom in text intro for travel vlogs in CapCut. So if you want to make your travel vlog stand out with a dynamic zoom in text intro, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create it to make the viewers watch your videos more. So what you need to do here, open your CapCut and tap on new project. And here I'm going to just use a black background. Okay, I've already added this black background, and now what you need to do is just add the text that you want. Here, go to text and tap on add text. Write the text, and here you can change the font to how you like it. I'm going to find a font that's a little bit bold. I'll try this one. Okay, I'm going to adjust the size like this. Click on the check icon, and now you can just add a keyframe at the start of the text and then add another one at the end, and then you can just zoom in the text. So zoom in the text until the white is covering all of the black background like this. And now you can just add the grabs. Click on the grabs and choose ease in. Okay, now click on export. And after the text is done exporting, you can open your project with a travel vlog on it and import the overlay to the travel vlog. So let's say this is my travel vlog. You can tap on overlay, add overlay. Click on the overlay that you just exported and adjust the size so it fits the whole screen like this. Now you can just go to splice and choose the slide option. Click on the check icon, and this will be the final result. So this is the eye-catching intro with zoom in text effect. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all for the next tutorials. You can drop in the comments if you still have questions. Bye!